Building on the introduction, let's delve deeper into what exactly the placebo and nocebo effects are. Placebo effect. Positive hopes truly heal. Imagine taking a sugar pill, believing it's a potent painkiller, and experiencing actual pain relief. That's the power of the placebo effect in action. Conversely, the nocebo effect demonstrates how negative expectations can worsen symptoms. If you anticipate that a medication will cause side effects, you're more likely to experience them, even if the medication is inert. Both the placebo and nocebo effects aren't just psychological. They produce measurable physiological changes in the body. These changes can include alterations in hormone levels, immune function, and even brain activity. This means that our beliefs aren't just abstract thoughts. They have the power to create tangible biological results. To understand this, let's look at the brain's role, particularly the prefrontal cortex, the brain's prediction center. It constantly anticipates what's going to happen next, based on our past experiences and current expectations. When we expect the treatment to work, the prefrontal cortex sends signals to deeper brain structures, such as the hypothalamus and brainstem. These structures regulate a wide range of bodily functions, including hormone release, heart rate, and immune function. In essence, the prefrontal cortex acts as a bridge between our thoughts and our physical state. By influencing the hypothalamus and brainstem, it can trigger physiological changes that align with our expectations. This intricate pathway reveals how our minds can directly impact our bodies, leading to either improvement or worsening of symptoms. The placebo effect is more than just a theoretical concept. It's been demonstrated in numerous scientific studies. For instance, in Parkinson's disease research, patients given a placebo-labeled dopamine showed heightened dopamine activity in the brain. This increase in dopamine led to improved movement and motor function, even though the patients were only receiving a sugar pill. Another compelling example comes from hormonal conditioning studies. In these studies, participants are repeatedly given a drug that affects hormone levels, such as insulin. After a while, researchers can replace the drug with a saline injection, which has no pharmacological effect. However, the participants' bodies still respond as if they had received the drug, with their hormone levels changing in the expected way. This demonstrates that the body can learn to associate a neutral cue, like a saline injection, with a specific hormonal response. This conditioned insulin response provides further evidence that expectation is a learned biological mechanism. Our bodies can learn to anticipate the effects of a treatment, even if the treatment itself is inert. The power of context also plays a crucial role in the placebo effect. Factors such as pill color, branding, and the way a treatment is delivered can all influence its perceived and actual effectiveness. For instance, studies have shown that red pills are often associated with stimulation, while blue pills are linked with calmness. Similarly, injections are often perceived as being stronger than tablets, even if they contain the same medication. The way a treatment is presented can shape our expectations and, in turn, influence its effects. While the placebo effect is a powerful phenomenon, it's important to understand its limits. The placebo effect is most effective at reducing subjective symptoms, such as pain, anxiety, and nausea. It can provide relief and improve quality of life, but it doesn't cure underlying diseases or fix broken body parts. For example, in studies of asthma, the placebo effect can lead to improved breathing and reduced symptoms. However, it doesn't actually improve lung function. The placebo effect can support and enhance medical treatments, but it doesn't replace them. It's also important to recognize that not everyone responds to the placebo effect in the same way. Some people are more susceptible to the placebo effect than others, and this variability is influenced by a number of factors. Genetic factors, such as variations in the COMP gene, can play a role in placebo responsiveness. Mindset traits like optimism and openness can also shape how strongly a person responds to a placebo. Understanding these factors can help us better predict who is likely to benefit most from placebo-based interventions. Identical nicotine doses labeled high enhance performance more than those without such label. Indulgent milkshakes trigger stronger satiety than sensible ones. Workers who see their daily routines as real exercise show measurable health gains, from lower blood pressure to improved well-being. In essence, our physiological response is altered by the concept of framing. Therefore, responsiveness output often varies. Genetic factors like COMT variants and mindset differences explain why some people show stronger placebo effects than others. The placebo effect demonstrates the deep connection between mind and body. Positive framing and supportive contexts enhance real outcomes without deception, demonstrating that belief is a genuine biological driver, while understanding expectation deepens insight into human health and perception. If you are enjoying the video, please click the like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments to support channel's growth. In conclusion, the placebo and nocebo effects are powerful demonstrations of the mind-body connection. Our expectations and beliefs can have a profound impact on our physical health and well-being. Understanding these effects helps harness the power of expectation to boost health and treatment outcomes, empowering us to take a more active role. That intricate pathway shows how our minds can directly impact our bodies. While the placebo effect is powerful, it has its limits. It excels at reducing subjective experiences like pain, anxiety, and nausea, but it cannot cure cancer or directly fix underlying disease mechanisms. Studies reveal that treatment context plays a crucial role, with factors like pill color, branding, and delivery method influencing perceived and actual results. Furthermore, responsiveness to placebos varies among individuals, influenced by genetic factors and mindset differences. This highlights the complexity of the mind-body connection. Ultimately, the placebo effect underscores the deep connection between mind and body, demonstrating how positive framing and supportive context can enhance real outcomes without resorting to deception.